Okay, so, well, since a little time has went by since I last ever really said anything, or let alone communicated with YouTube, there's a Cagiva 1985 WMX 125. Obviously the forks are not stock, the original forks are right there. It's being rebuilt. This is the engine, right there, and there's a jug, well, not jug, the head, and then there's the brand new piston. Yeah, this thing, this thing has been tired for some time now, and this is the piston that was in it. This piston is actually out of the YZ125, I think, and it doesn't look too bad up until you had a lot of blow by. Until you get right here, where the piston ring snapped in half and trashed itself. Cylinder was savable. It's just better off that we rebuild it now and get it tuned right. So that's pretty much the ordeal at this point. Being rebuilt. And yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Forks are off of a CRF or a CR250, maybe a 125, I can't remember. But she's being built to all original specs. So yeah, WMX.